Solar and Battery Solutions Simplified. Enact helps companies manage fleets with ease, while homeowners take control of their solar journey. Leverage our AI-enabled platform, integrated with all major inverter brands. With Enact, your customers track real-time dollar savings and ROI, seeing the true value of their system. Enact also integrates directly with utility meters, giving customers complete visibility into their live energy consumption and savings. Did you know that many solar systems do not deliver desired results? With Enact, you can change that, ensuring every customer gets the performance they were promised. Enact lets customers compare actual versus estimated generation, building trust through transparency. And when customer questions come up, our AI chatbot supports them instantly, so your staff can focus on real problems. With virtual power plant rewards, renewable energy credits, and a referral program, customers save more while you deliver greater value. Easily manage your fleet. Empower your customers. Visit Enact Solar to learn how to get started today.